When you log in into the Windows Server environment on VMware Workstation Pro for the first time, you see that the screen is small. You also see that you do not have a network connection. The main reason for that is because Windows Installation Wizard doesn't recognize VMware, and you need to install latest VMware tools and drivers. VMware provides default way to do it by showing the installation toolbar at the bottom of VMware Workstation. If you click Install Tools, all it's going to do is going to insert predefined ISO file into the DVD drive of the virtual workstation. I'm going to click Install Tools button and navigate to the File Explorer inside Windows Server. As you can see, the virtual DVD was inserted into the virtual DVD drive. You can access it by clicking this PC and navigating to the DVD drive. Once there, you can trigger the installation process for VMware tools. If you just follow the wizard and use typical installation options, you will install all the latest drivers for VMware Workstation Pro. And this would allow you to run the application full screen and get the network connection. Typically, at the end of the process, it is a good idea to reboot the server to make sure all the driver installations took effect. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Skills that you learn here will be helpful for you now and also in the future. You also get opportunity to help other people by answering their questions and helping them solve their challenges. If you like the content, please give this video a big thumbs up. This tells us that you need more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.